We've been running the Westland Care Research Project in South Westland for 3 years now. In this season alone we're tracking 11 nests, of which 5 have failed, 3 of which have been a result of predation. This is the first year we've been able to use cameras to monitor the success of care nests, and in these cameras we've been able to document predation events quite clearly. We've had 2 stoat predations and 1 possum predation, which is quite a surprising thing. With the stoat predation, it's the nature of the predation that's most shocking. It's a very inhumane way for the juveniles to die. They're quite old chicks and they kill them in the presence of the female. The most staggering part is that it takes 2.5 hours for the stoats to kill the chick, and it remains in the nest for the entire period of time. On the other hand, the possum predation is surprising because while we know they attack small young and eggs, taking an almost fledged juvenile care is quite a surprise. And that was captured right in front of the camera, and the possum hauled it out to the entrance of the nest and ate it in front of the camera. At this stage we have no evidence that possums take adult care in the nest. However, we do have plenty of evidence in the past that they've taken adult kaka from the nest, and so there's every reason to believe they can. We're that early in the season this year that anything's possible in our monitoring. Remu fruiting is a good indicator of a rat plague. Rat plagues then lead to more stoats, and that increases the pressure on the nests. So what we do in the forests of Okarito in Southland is look at the podocarp forest fruiting for the year coming. By climbing these trees we can count the fruit as it forms 1.5 years before it actually drops. We then monitor the rat presence using small mammal index on the ground, and that actually tracks the movement or increase of rats during the actual drop of the fruit. By being able to predict these changes in the forest in rodent numbers, by climbing the Remu trees and counting the fruit fall for the following season, we can better plan our predator control to protect the kea and other birds of the forest.